Today we're diving in to check out the X40 PRO GPS Drone, a serious aerial powerhouse built for creators who demand range, clarity, and intelligent control. With its 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and brushless motors, this one's made to capture stunning footage, not just hover around the park. At the heart of the X40 PRO is the combo of a brushless motor system and a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, so your footage stays smooth and cinematic even when you're whipping around in the air. You get a large screen remote control with built-in display, live FPV feed without relying on a smartphone. Combined with 5G dual antenna digital relay image transmission, you're looking at very strong signal and real-time visuals from up to 3 to 5 kilometer control range and around 600 to 1,000 meters image transmission in free interference zones. Check out the gimbal specs. Roll, tilt, X, plus minus 35 degrees. Pitch, roll, Y, minus 100 degrees to plus 70 degrees. Heading, plus minus 35 degrees. Adjustable downward angle, minus 85 degrees to 0 degrees, giving you wide flexibility for cinematic sweeps. Smart features galvanize the experience. Dual GPS plus optical flow keep the drone locked in place. Forever follow mode means the drone can track you autonomously. And full-sided obstacle avoidance sensors give added safety during tricky shots. Powering it all is a 7.4-volt, 1500 mAh smart lithium battery, enough to get you out for serious flight sessions, though actual flight time depends on conditions. In terms of size, the X40 PRO measures about 26.1 centimeters times 25.2 centimeters times 6.2 centimeters, excluding the obstacle avoidance head. With that head included, it's roughly 9.1 centimeters tall. Compact enough for many bags, but big enough to carry serious gear. And the result? Stunning aerial content. With 8K HD resolution, a stabilized gimbal, long range, and strong signal, you're looking at footage that rivals higher-end rigs without the mega price tag. If you're serious about aerial photography, FPV shots, travel vlogging, or just elevating your content game, the X40 PRO GPS Drone deserves a close look. Unfold the sky, capture the moment, fly further than ever before with the X40 PRO GPS Drone. Subscribe for more tech and drone reviews from Caring Guy.